Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 16. I forget every single day what day it is, but Connor and I have had a lazy day. We agreed we weren't gonna go outside, even though I think we might go to the grocery store later, because like I mentioned, every day we have no groceries, so like we need to go, at least so we have food to eat tomorrow. But we watched a movie this morning. We watched The Roses. It was pretty good, 3 out of 5. We have been putting that one off, and it was fine. I'd recommend watching it, why not? And now we are hanging up some posters. We have a bunch of concert posters and stuff, and we hung up 3 of them. I think we are gonna hang up 1 to 3 more, depending on how we arrange them above the record player. So let me show you what we have so far. Connor has a King Gizzard poster that's pretty big that we might put to the right. But for now, I just was in the mood to do this. So I also wanna preface with, we use command strips and I didn't measure anything. And so it's not gonna be perfect, so I don't need to hear that it doesn't look perfect, because I really do not care. As long as they're up and on display, I'm happy. So this is our record setup currently. We have the Christmas tree over here, so there's like a little bit of odd space that normally has something else like right here. So that'll be back at the end of the Christmas season. And that's our dust cloth, so ignore that. But we put up these. I can't tell if they look level or not, but this is what we have. We got this on Record Store Day last year, and I love it, and I've been wanting to hang it up. It's just so cute. This from the Eras tour, and then this sign poster we got when we saw Maud Latour. We have a Fontaines poster we might hang up. Like I said, we have Connor's King Gizzard poster, and right now he's looking for his Black Keys poster, so maybe one of those will go up. We have this broken frame with the Bleachers poster in it, which I think would have looked so cute over there, but it's already been hanging here, and the frame is kind of breaking, so we're just gonna leave it here, but trust that this could have been there as well, because I do really like this poster. And it's pretty big, so it would have been cool, but we're gonna hang the King Gizzard one most likely. So yeah, let me know what you think. I'm sad all these frames are black, because I kind of like when things are a mix of different frame colors, but at this point, I'm probably just gonna have them all be framed in black unless someone tells me otherwise, because the Fontaines poster is also in a black frame. So we might as well just stick with the theme at this point, unless anyone thinks I should go with a different color. All right, you guys, we're back for day 2 of the Advent calendar. Let's see what's in day 2. All right, I had to open it ahead of vlogging so that it doesn't rip. Okay, it looks like all of the bags are red. Is that normal? Ignore my dry hands. Okay, let's open it. Connor's filming again. Thanks, Connor. Let's see. Ooh, it's a candy, a green candy. That one's pretty cute. Comment below if you like this or the French Bulldog better. I'll see you back tomorrow for day 3. Here's the duo so far. I think I like the candy better by 1,000,000%, but let me know what you think. We're going to Rotofugi real quick, and then we're gonna go to the grocery store. We, as I mentioned, really need groceries, so we're gonna go get some stuff for the week. And maybe I'll take you along, because I vlogged literally nothing else today. So come along to the store and to Rotofugi. We'll see if they have any cute little gifts for this year. It's awfully cold, but we're almost there. It's quite pretty out right now though, despite the cold. We're here. All right, I just got 2 of the Santa's helpers for a couple friends, so success. The sky is looking pretty tonight. We're at Aldi. Here's what we got so far. Excuse me. Perfect. All right, the groceries have been acquired. We definitely bought way more groceries than we needed, but I kind of forgot that we needed some household things, like tissues, because my nose is so runny and I haven't had tissues in weeks, and just cleaning stuff. So we actually had a lot more stuff than I had planned on. But I'm happy to have groceries and have snacks and all of that stuff, because sometimes I'm so bad about buying that stuff. So we're good. And I'll show you if anything else happens tonight. I told you guys I'd show you what I got one of my friends for Christmas. I'm getting ready to box it up so I can have it mailed at FedEx. But I got this ornament. They have a baby, so I thought this would be cute in like the baby's room, on the tree, or on the regular tree. As you know, I keep mine on my tree. His fur is covering his eye, but I promise he's cute. I got Lauren this little glasses case from Bagu. I feel like she always wears sunglasses, and she has cats, so I think they're really cute. And then I also just got her this bag because I thought it was really cute. This pattern, she loves flowers, so just a simple little gift. I also got a book, which I'll show you. This is the book I got. I got a like fall version with like coffee on it during like Thanksgiving time. So I thought this was perfect for the collection. It's really cute. And hopefully baby will love it. New angle unlocked with the new posters. I'm gonna call it a day on Vlogmas today. I'm just gonna walk on my walking pad and then I'll probably watch TV or a movie with Connor. So see you guys tomorrow.